Now let us look at the fourth subdivision. 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 2. Then 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 is equal to 1. So these are the two equations 1 and 2. Okay. Now look at the equations carefully. Both the equations are having the form 1 by x minus 1 and 1 by y minus 2. Clear? So let assume 1 by x minus 1 is equal to A and 1 by y minus 2 is equal to B. On substituting these conditions in 1 and 2, the equation 1 will become 5 into 1 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 2. So it is 5A plus B is equal to 2. Mark this equation as number 3. Then the equation 2 becomes 6 into 1 by x minus 1 minus 3 into 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 1. So it is 6A minus 3B is equal to 1. Mark this equation as number 4. Now I am going to solve the equation 3 and 4 by elimination method. For that I am going to bring the B coefficients to be same. So I am going to multiply the equation 3 on both the sides. It will become 3 into 5A plus B is equal to 3 into 2. So simplify this, 15A plus 3B is equal to 6. Mark this equation as number 5. Now I am going to add the equations 4 and 5. Adding the equation number 4 and equation number 5. 6A minus 3B is equal to 1. 15A plus 3B is equal to 6. 6A plus 15A is plus 21A minus 3B plus 3B, it will be cancelled, then 1 plus 6 gives 7. So 21A is equal to 7, A is equal to 7 by 21. So which can be written as 1 by 3. The value of A is 1 by 3. Now substituting A is equal to 1 by 3 in equation number 4. So it will become 6 into A, that is 6 into 1 by 3 minus 3B is equal to 1. This 6 and 3 getting cancelled. So it is 2 minus 3B is equal to 1. When I take this minus 3B to other side, it becomes plus 3B. Then when I take this 1 to LHS, it becomes minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is 3B. Therefore the value of 3B is 1. Hence the value of B is 1 by 3. Clear? So A is equal to 1 by 3, B is equal to 1 by 3. Now we are going to substitute these two values in our assumptions. We have assumed 1 by x minus A, 1 by x minus 1 is equal to A. So 1 by x minus 1 is equal to A value 1 by 3. Just cross multiply it, 1 into 3 is equal to 1 into x minus 1. So 3 is equal to x minus 1, x is equal to 3 plus 1. So value of x is 4. Now 1 by y minus 2 is equal to B. 1 by y minus 2 is equal to B value is also 1 by 3. So just cross multiply, 3 is equal to y minus 2. Now take this minus 2 to this side, it will become plus 2. So 3 plus 2 is equal to y. which gives the value of y to be 5. So the solution is x is equal to 4, y is equal to 5. Clear? Next, let's we see the fifth subdivision. It is 7x minus 2y divided by xy is equal to 5. Then the second equation, 8x plus 7y divided by xy is equal to 15. Okay, let name these equations as 1 and 2. So the solution, we have to reduce this pair of equation into a pair of linear equation. So we have to reduce the equations. For that, I am going to split this term into two terms because the denominator is same. So I can split the numerator. Clear? So the equation 1 is 7x minus 2y divided by xy is equal to 5. I am going to split the numerator. It is 7x by xy minus 2y by xy is equal to 5. In these terms, this x and this x can be cancelled. Here this y and this y can be cancelled. So it becomes 7 by y minus 2 by x is equal to 5. This can be reduced as, I am going to multiply the equation by minus because I am having minus for x term. X term should be written in the first, okay. So it should not have a minus sign. So I am going to multiply this entire equation by minus 1, multiplying by minus 1 on both sides. So it will become 2 by x, this sign will be changed. So minus 7 by y is equal to minus 5. Okay, I will be getting equation like this. Then in this equation I am going to substitute 1 by x is equal to a and 1 by y is equal to b. So this equation becomes 2a minus 7b is equal to minus 5. Mark this equation as number 3. Then consider the second equation, split the numerator. So it is 8x by xy plus 7y by xy is equal to 15. So this can be written as 8 by y plus 7 by x is equal to 15. Now let us substitute 1 by x is equal to a and 1 by y is equal to b. Then this equation becomes 7a plus 8b is equal to 15. Mark this equation as number 4. Now we have got the equations 3 and 4. We have to solve these two equations. For that I am going to multiply the equation 3 by 7 and 4 by 2. So equation 3 is getting multiplied by 7 on both sides. So which will give 7 into 2a minus 7b is equal to 7 into minus 5. So it is 14a minus 49b is equal to minus 35. Equation number 5. Then the equation number 4 is getting multiplied by 2 on both sides. So it become 2 into 7a plus 8b is equal to 2 into 15, which gives 14a plus 16b is equal to 30. Mark this equation as number 6. You have to solve these two equations by elimination method. Here the coefficients of a variable are numerically same. So I am going to just subtract the equation number 6 from 5. So subtracting equation number 6 from 5. So first write the fifth equation, 14a minus 49b is equal to minus 35. Then write the sixth equation, 14a plus 16b is equal to 30. Now on subtracting these two equations, the signs of the second equation will be altered. So it is minus 14a, it is minus 16b, it is minus 30. So 14a minus 14a will be cancelled, then minus 49b minus 16b will become minus 65b is equal to minus 35 minus 30, it becomes minus 65. So this minus sign can be cancelled. 65b is equal to 65, then b is equal to 65 divided by 65, which gives the value of b to be 1. Then substituting b is equal to 1 in equation number 3 will become 2a minus 7b. So that is 7 into 1 is equal to minus 5. Then 2a minus 7 is equal to minus 5. 2a is equal to minus 5 plus 7. So 2a is equal to plus 2. This gives the value of a to be 1. That is a is equal to 2 by 2, which gives 1. Thus we have obtained the values of a and b. Now we have to substitute this a and b in these assumptions. We have assumed 1 by x is equal to a and 1 by y is equal to b. So on substituting 1 by x is equal to a, that is 1. So x is equal to 1. On cross multiplying we will be getting the value of x to be 1. Then we have assumed 1 by y is equal to b value is 1. So 1 by y is equal to 1. On cross multiplying we will be getting y is equal to 1. Thus the solution is x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. Clear?